Welcome to Our Paradise Farm, Brat, Florida. Just a little update. I have the 10 poles put in, or 11 poles on this side put in, and then I did 10 poles today. That was done yesterday, and today I did 10 poles across the front. I set up a 50-foot square for me to put sweet corn in, and I marked off to 10 feet for a chicken run around the inside perimeter, and then a 10-foot walkway. This is what we're going to be doing next. My wife is working on her garden over by the house, and that's the reason why I put 10-foot poles up again around the back of the property. I'm going to also be putting a privacy fence in over there, and so would appreciate you put a thumbs up if you'd like. Follow along. Make sure the bell's turned on. Most importantly, please comment. I'd love to hear from you. Love to know what you're thinking. Give us suggestions. I'd appreciate it. You have a great day.